Now, class 6. Today, see page number from 43 children. I'll be telling for you all the divisibility rules for 4, 8 and 11. Okay? And as I have written in on the blackboard, in the same way you can write, children, so that it will be easy for you all if you make margins and write. Okay? Now, what is the divisibility rule for 4? Next, divisibility rule for 8. Next, divisibility rule for 11. Okay? What is rule for 4, rule for 8 and rule for 11? These are the 3 rules. Previously, we learnt about 2, 3, 6, 5, 10. Okay? And now you are learning for rule for 4. R-U-L-E, rule, children, here. Sorry. This is rule. Rule for 4 and rule for 8, rule for 11. What is rule for 4? What is the rule for 4? You have to learn now, children. What is the rule for 4? See, I will repeat, children. A number is said to be divisible by 4. Okay? A number is said to be divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Is divisible by 4. So, suppose if they give you a number, children, they will give you a number. Last 2 digits. Okay? The last 2 digits from your right hand side, you have to take 2 digits and you have to divide with 4. If the remainder is 0, then the number is divisible by 4. Then the number is divisible by 4. I will show you one example, children. Just today I am teaching for you all the rules. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Okay? Next, a number is said to be divisible by 8. What is the rule for 8 now? A number is said to be divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Next, what is the rule for 11? Once when I explain an example, then it will be very clear for you actually. A number is said to be divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places, sum of the digits at odd places, not sum of the digits, odd digits, sum of the digits at odd places, that is the condition, children. Like that, sum of the digits at even places from right side is either 0 or divisible by 11. Is either 0 or divisible by 11. Okay? That is the condition, children. So once when I show you an example, then it will be very clear. See, whenever a problem is given, to check for rule for 3, just write down the rule there. In the column wise only you write, children. Then it is easy for you. Okay? Now I will show you the divisibility rule for 4. Okay? So now, look here, children. One problem from exercise 3.7, children. Okay? Now, exercise 3.7. This is also exercise 3.7. I will show you because I have written the rules here. I will show you one problem. Okay? I will show for you one problem. Now, one problem. What is that one problem is 572. First problem is 572. Exercise 3.1. After writing these rules, what is the first problem is? First problem is 572, children. I told now, once when I explain a problem, then it will be clear for you all. So now, what is the rule for 4? See, a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Last 2 digits you underline. Now, this 72, you have to divide with 4. This is divisibility rule for 4. No? That is the question from exercise 3.7 and this is the first problem from exercise 3.7. So, 4 1s are 4, 3. Then bring down 2. 4 8s are 30. Now, remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, then what you will say? This 572 is divisible by 4. 572 is divisible by 4. Okay, children. This is the problem you have to do. Check the divisibility for 4 means you have to adopt this question. Next, one I will show for 8 children. Okay? what is the divisibility rule for 8? Now, what is the second question, children? In this second one, what is the question is 9, 7, 7, 4. Okay? Same from exercise 3.7. See, children. Now, exercise 3.7, I have taken 9, 7, 7, 4 children. Okay, so from exercise 3.7 I am putting my finger and showing no children. Second one, third one, fourth, fifth one you have to do for homework. In the same way, second bit, second, third, fourth, fifth you have to do for homework. Now rule for 8 I will show for you. Then I will show rule for 11 also. Okay, now rule for 8. What is rule for 8? Last 3 digits you have to take, children. The last 3 digits. Okay, 9, 7, 7, 4. So 9, 7, 7, 4. Now 8. With 8 you have to check. 9, 7, 7, 4. You have to take last 3 digits and set it for 8. Now in 8 table 77. 8 9 is 72. 8 9 is 72. Then bring down 4. 8 3 is 24. So remainder is 0. Then what will you say, children? 9, 7, 7, 4 is divisible by 8. What you have said? Is divisible by 8. This is the question, children. In the same way, even homework also, you have to do it the same way, children. Suppose 4 they are asking, draw the margin, 4 you do. Suppose for 8 they are asking, draw the margin, write the rule and do it in this way. Then only it will be easy, children, for you. Understood? And now one for 11 I will show, children. Here 11, there is no place, so I am writing there, children. Okay? What is the question, children? Rule for 11. Now 8, 5. What is third bit? First one, children. Third bit, first one. 8, 5, 9, 4, 8, 4. See, children, the question is, I am reading. See, look here, children. The exercise 3.7, third bit, first one. See, children, I have put my finger. 8, 5, 9, 4, 8, 4. This is a question given for you to check the divisibility rule for 11. To check the divisibility rule for 11. Actually, below rule for 11 only I should write, children, but place is not there. In your classwork, if place is there, you write in your classwork below rule for 11 only. But I am writing on the blackboard besides, children. Okay. Now rule for 11. How we are going to check rule for 11? See, children. First of all, what are the digits at odd places? From your right hand side only you have to check, children. Now, from your right hand side only. Where is my right hand? This is my right hand. This is odd place. Okay. 1. Next 3. Next 5. Okay. These are odd numbers, my children. So the digits at odd places. The digits at odd places. From your right hand side you have to check. The digits at odd places. Odd places. That's what I put there. 1, 3, 5. Okay. The digits at odd places. Now, take the digits at odd places. Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits at odd places. Okay. Now, what are the digits at odd places? 4. From right hand side, my right hand side. 4. Then plus 5. What is 4 plus 4? 8. 8 plus 5 is 30. Next, you have to select the digits that are from even places. Okay? The digits from even places, children. Sum of the digits at even places. Okay? From right hand side only. Every time right hand side only. You should remember, children. Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits at even places. Now, what are even places? 8, 9, 8. 8, 9 and 8. Now 8 plus 9 is 17. 17. 8 plus 9 is 17. And 17 plus 8. Okay. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 8, how much children? 17, after 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So it is 25 children. So now this is 25. When you add up, you got it as 25. Now you find out difference. You have to find out the difference, children. How you will find out the difference? Difference means subtraction, children. So 25 minus 30. So 25 minus 30. How much? 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 2. 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now 12. This 12 you have to divide it with 11. This 12 you have to divide it with 11, children. So now 12. Will 12 exactly divisible by 11? No. Remainder is not 0. Remainder is 1. Therefore, what you have to write then? This. So, 8, 5, 9, 4, 8, 4 is not divisible by 11. Is not divisible by 11. That is the rule, children, that I have applied. Okay. So in the same way, by today is Tuesday, no children? By Friday, you have to show for me the homework. Exercise 7.1, first bit, second bit and third bit, children. First bit, second bit and third one. There is no problem. From 3.7, you all have to show for me, children. That's all. Thank you.